everybody, Phil Gorman here, posture expert. Welcome to my 6th day of my 12 days of posture. Today we are going to talk about having less muscular tension and less joint discomfort. I see it numerous times a day. Nobody is focused on their structural health anymore. Everybody comes in and says, I have weak muscles. And yes, you may have weak muscles, but that's because they're working so darn hard that they never get a chance to turn off. So unless we focus on our structural integrity and how our body actually functions optimally, then yes, you will have muscular tension because your muscles will be working all the time. And yes, you will have joint discomfort because those muscles will eventually compress that joint. And then yes, you will have nerve tension and so on down the line. So today, think about your structural health a little bit more. I have a few more exercises on my YouTube channel about how to stand straight, sort of a standing postural checklist, if you will. Check that out. See if that helps you out a little bit. It is a matter of stacking the structures of the body so then the muscles don't have to work so hard. Give it a try. Have an amazing day. Enjoy today. Today is the best day of your life. Bye for now.